Welcome back to another episode of Bro Premiere, guys. I have been searching for a flip. I've been trying to find a really fun flip, something new, different. At this point, I'm trying to find anything, but I did have some success. This is my 2008 Mazda 3. So I bought this for $1,200. While I was there to look at it, I just beat a guy who was supposed to come an hour after me, and I literally paid for the car and got the title in my hand as the other guy was pulling up. But it does need a lot of little love. So first things first, it has 142,000 miles, and the main issue with it is the transmission control module keeps kind of shorting out and resetting, and the car won't shift normally. Once it's reset, car shifts fine, smooth, no problem. The next thing that's wrong with it is it needs a windshield. But as far as the interior, it's pretty gnarly. The headliner's good, but everything in here just smells stale and old. I don't know if you can see this, but the steering wheel is the most disgusting steering wheel I've ever touched, ever. So those holes are supposed to be around this whole thing. It's gonna need a lot of cleaning. Like, look at the layer of grime. That's not something rubbed off, that's something rubbed on. So it's pretty gross. Now, the paint does need some love. This top clear coat is almost burned through. It needs a little love brought back to it, and there is some burn through marks up here, which I'm gonna try to search how to just fix these little spots of clear coat. I also think I'm going to attempt sanding and clear coating the headlights this time. So that's the goal. Let's get at it. All right guys, so right now I think I'm gonna show you the before and after videos. Let's get at it. I sold the Mazda 6 hours after I listed it for 4,500 bucks. I had it up for 5 grand. Person said $4,500. I said, depends, how soon can you be here? They showed up 30 minutes later with $4,500 cash. It was so simple, it was weird. I asked if they wanted to go on a test drive, nothing. They literally like looked under the hood, closed the hood, handed me cash, and took the car. It was like the sale lasted not even 2 minutes. It was the weirdest thing I've ever done, also the happiest I've ever been. It was very easy. So anyway, with $4,500, I think I calculated I made about $2,950 in profit. So I had about $1,550 into the car. $1,200 for the car, $200 for the windshield, and then about $150 in miscellaneous oil, the TCM, which was like 50 something bucks. So altogether I had about $1,550 into the car. And I honestly did about one week solid, maybe a week and 2 days worth of work for almost 3 grand profit. So that was a really good flip. So with that said, I think that's gonna wrap up this episode of Broke Premier, guys. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your week, and I'll catch you again on Sunday. Later, guys.